Hello everybody, I am sitting in my room with a cold. I've got tissues and things like that. There has been a lot of smoke and things in the environment, but actually today is pretty cool. I do have a cold. And let's see, I've been listening to Euphoria, the soundtrack. I don't know why I'm so obsessed with it, but I feel like excuse me. I feel like for me, really minor chords have always been something that I've really enjoyed. Just it brings up the sadness that I wasn't able to feel as a child. So that's like why I love listening to sad songs. Sad songs touch my heart, allow me to feel, allow me to express myself and move past all of the things. And so anyway, so I think maybe I should go because I do have a cold, but I just wanted to say hi and yeah, all my messy hair and all of those things. And yeah, my bestie friend is moving back to his homeland tomorrow, but he'll be back in 3 months. And I don't know. Living alone is good for me, but it's also not good for me. But I'm hoping to work on myself. So I said, "Hey, what should I do when you're gone?" And their response was, "Work on yourself," which probably is the best asbestos advice that I could receive at this point in my life. And I wanted to show you my bracelet. It's so cool. So cool, so cool, so cool. I used to wear always, if you've known me from before, like a choker that had that on there. And then for some reason I stopped wearing it. I was wondering, like, am I trying to protect my neck from some kind of something? But now my neck feels free, which allows my vocal cords to sing. And then even though that I am not feeling good, I wanted to, I wanted to shout out to Megan and all the wonderful singers and people out there because I missed it from not feeling so good, and I'm on the mend, which is good. Which is good. And I'm thinking about all the indigenous people in California right now, how they're doing. Jesus Christ. I'm thinking about all of the shit that's going on right now. Excuse my swearing. But yeah, I think right now the only thing that I can do is rest and listen to Euphoria and listen to Billy and talk to you and sneeze. You know that feeling when you're about to have a sneeze, but it like literally gets stuck in your nose and you're like, but that's where I'm at right now, so I'm gonna leave you at that so you don't have to hear me sneeze again, okay?